Welcome to Online Tutor 09. In this video, I'm going to draw a robotic arm. So I'm going to show you how to draw the parts, how to assemble them, and how to make an Arduino. Okay? So now, what we're going to do, let's choose the next part which you want to draw. Okay? So I'm going to come here and delete my step, which I used for the dimensions, right? Okay? So I'm going to choose the next part. Let's choose the end effector order. So this is the end effector order right here. Okay, so this is what you want to draw, right? Okay, so we're going to use some referencing of planes right here. Okay, so like always, Control New for selecting the new part. Okay, so I'm going to choose the front plane, just like the front plane, right? Okay, and come here, and I'm going to, okay, so remember all my measurements are in millimeters, so I'm going to click millimeters right here and choose front plane and start again, right? So I'm going to come to this point and draw a circle of radius 20, right? This circle is a radius of 20, and I'm going to extrude it, right? So by distance of 52 millimeters, that is going to be the length, right, of this cylinder, right? That is the height or the actual length. Okay, so now what we're going to do, so I'm going to come to this point and I'm going to click sketch, right? Okay, so from here I'm going to click normal, right? And I'm going to come and draw a circle of radius 9 millimeters. Okay, and I'm going to extrude it by a length of 2 millimeters, right? That's going to be the length right here. And I'm going to come on this face and I'm going to click right here, select normal. I'm going to draw a circle right here. In this case, this one is 7.5. So just click and type the radius, and I'm going to extrude cut it to make a hole right here. Okay, so this one is going to be 7 millimeters, right? So I'm going to extrude cut it by 7 millimeters. Okay, so this is what we have right here. And now what we need to make a hole right here. So to do that, what we're going to do, we're going to select the appropriate plane, right? So as you can see, the right plane, it is at the middle, right? Okay, so on the right plane, I'm going to click sketch on the right plane, right? And select normal, right? So I'm going to come from this point, right? I'm going to trace the middle and draw a center line right here, and I'm going to smart dimension this center line, and we need a distance of 20, right? In the distance of 20 right here. And now I'm going to come to this point. I'm going to draw a circle, right? And this circle is a radius of 17.5, right? So that is the distance of the radius of this circle. Now I'm going to extrude it on both sides, right? So I need it to have a distance, a length of 40, so I'm going to put 20 on direction 1, then I'm going to put 20 on direction 2, right? Like this. Okay, and now it's time to click on this surface because we need to sketch on it, right? You have to make a hole right here. So I'm going to draw a circle, then after that I'm going to extrude cut. So Now I'm going to specify the radius right here. So the radius is going to be 19, the radius of this circle. Okay, so the radius of this one should be 19, right? Okay, so the radius of this circle, you need it to be 19, right? Okay, after doing that, we're going to extrude it on both sides. So we're going to extrude on direction 1, since the length is 40. So in direction 1, we're going to put 20. On second direction, we're going to put 20, right? Now we're going to click on this plane right here. That's what we want to sketch, and we're going to click normal so you can see we're sketching, and just touch the line of this circle and locate the center, and after that we're going to put 17.5 on this circle, right? And we're going to come here and extrude cut it to make a wall, right? So with extrude cutting, just make sure this one extend to the end, to the other side, right? Okay, so now we have this part. So this is our end effector. Now we're just left with clicking Ctrl S for saving, and go to step files, and this one is end effector holder, end effector holder.